What is it? What are you doing? Hello. Good morning. Okay, first thing first, I need coffee. Yes. It's so cold, freezing. Alright, so I've been here around 8 and then it's 11 a.m. I've been here for like 3 hours. And then they gave us 2 hours break. So I gotta be back around 1:15. So it's 2 p.m. I spent around 6 hours sitting in a chair with Netflix. I don't know what they're watching. 6 hours! Damn. So I just got home around 10 minutes. And then it finally stopped raining. Gosh, the weather, man. It just changes. I think the weather has like a mud swing. It's gonna rain. It's gonna stop. It'll be sunny. No, it's gonna rain. Then stop raining. Huh. California, man. So might as well take him for a walk again, since I spent 6 freaking hours on the courtroom. Did nothing. 6 hours of my time. See the sun? Sun is out, man. Hey, what are you looking for? You're looking for a mermaid? Yes. You do? Believe in mermaids. I gotta see one. I wanna see one. I would love to see one. I think they're real. I hope they're real. I don't know how to swim, but I wanna see one. Ooh. Yes, it's private property. Come on, Tarzan, let's go. Make it. Yes, I know. I'm not sure where we at. Yeah. Tarzan, what are you thinking?
How you doing?
Pretty good, how are you? Tarzan, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, boy. Let's go. You see those birds? Those are deadly traps. So do not stand in here. Not food. Pretty good, how are you? Doesn't know. It's okay. They're friendly, I think. There's an eye drooling. Come here. Come here. Why are you drooling? You know you can't eat cat. Do you hear that? Birds singing. Scarecrow? No. That's the sound of nature singing. I wish I got my bed right now. I can go sleeping with that sound. I wonder if you guys can hear it.